There's plenty of new cycling features on the Apple Watch Series 7 to sink your teeth into, whether you ride a regular bike or an e-bike. So let's check them out. The Apple Watch Series 7 has a bigger screen and it's more durable than ever, but it's the new software features like automatic cycling detection and improved calorie counting for e-bikes that I want to test out. And the good news is that a lot of these features aren't exclusive to the Series 7, even though that's the one I'll be using for these tests for the most part. You'll be able to get these features on WatchOS 8 when you perform that update on pretty much all Apple Watches from the Series 3 and onwards. There are a couple of exceptions though, and I'll let you know what they are as we go along. Chapters are linked in the description below if you want to jump ahead to a specific feature. And quick disclaimer, I am not what you would consider a serious cyclist. I love to use my bike to exercise, to get from A to B and so on, so just bear that in mind. All right, let's get into the tests and have some fun. Automatic workout detection for runs, walks and elliptical has been around for a couple of years on the Apple Watch, but now they've added outdoor cycling detection on the Series 6, Series 7 and Apple Watch SE. So what this is doing is analysing GPS, the accelerometer, the gyroscope and of course your heart rate to determine when you're actually riding a bike. And the cool part about it is it's also bringing in the readings from the magnetometer, and that's going to detect those minute sways that happen when you're riding a bike. So it will know that yes, you're actually riding, not just sitting on the bus with an elevated heart rate watching a scary movie hurtling down the freeway really quickly. All right, let's test out the auto cycling detection. I have the Series 7 on one wrist, and I'm going to start a timer on my other wrist with the Series 6, and we'll see how long it takes to kick in. All right, stopwatch. Here we go.
A few moments later.
There we go. It happened at, oh, it's auto detected on both of the watches. Okay, so it happened about 3 minutes 30 into the ride. So yeah, it's about right. I wasn't pedaling too fast. It was just a normal pace. Yeah, it detected it. Now I've just got to work out how to press it while I'm riding. There you go. Did it. Ta-da. And here's the prompt. It looks like you're working out. Yes, I am. But then here's the thing. Here's a notification that pops up. So if I swipe that away, you'll see that the auto detect disappears, which is kind of annoying because I was just about to go and press it and then I got a notification. But here's the good thing. I got to my destination and the prompt came up again. And it turns out it was still recording and still tracking from when I left, which is good because that was a hard hill. E-bike owners, this one is for you. It is improved calorie tracking when you're riding an e-bike. So again, it's going to use the GPS and your heart rate data to know when you're getting an assist from your bike. So say for example, your heart rate is kind of at a normal resting level or maybe a little bit higher and you're actually going really fast. The watch is going to know that you're getting an assist from your bike rather than pedaling really fast or being in a car, for example. And it is actually listed on the watch as just outdoor cycle. So it's going to work and just automatically know that you're riding an e-bike versus riding a traditional bike. So to test it out, I'm going to do the same ride on my regular bike and then again on an e-bike, then compare the calorie count after the fact to see what the difference really is. But I am not going to make it easy on myself. I am riding from Ocean Beach in San Francisco all the way to the 16th Avenue tiled steps. Now on paper and on a map, this does not look like a very long way at all. It's about 20-25 minutes. But what the map doesn't show you is the elevation gain, over 440 feet. So wish me luck. .68 BPM. Let's do this! I cannot wait to do this on the e-bike because this sucks. Ugh. No, you can do it. Come on. Oh. 185. I'm dead. Okay. That was something else. Okay. Just catch my breath for a second. Okay. All right, check the stats. All right, so I did it in 22 minutes. Are you serious? It was only 137 calories for that really ride that almost killed me. 173 total. Okay, well, I guess I can still have pizza. I mean, I'm gonna eat pizza anyway, but at least this was kind of the pre-workout, the pre-game. So, all right, I'm gonna do it with the e-bike now. Same ride, same route, and see what their difference actually is. Woohoo! Okay, I've caught my breath. It's time to do exactly the same ride again, this time on an e-bike. I'm using the Zumo Sport. It's actually got a lot of tech in it. There is a motor lock, there is RFID key systems, there is also a built-in GPS as well. But most importantly, the range is around 80 kilometers or 50 miles on a single charge, and it's got 9 speed gears. So hopefully it means that getting up that hill is going to be a lot easier than last time. So I'm going to start the workout, an outdoor cycle workout, just like before. There's no e-bike specific workout. It's all just the same thing. And then see you at the top. I think this one's going to be a lot more fun. Oh yeah. Literally 115 BPM. I could have a full-on conversation, like, this is excellent. Woohoo! All right, don't get me wrong, it's still not fun, but I'm not as toasted as I was on my regular bike. I'm not even really using the assist, but I'm going to now. Come on, boost. Boost, boost. Power, power. Woohoo! Well, isn't that nice not being breathless, and I get to talk to you without sweating and panting. Okay, total time, let's end the activity, 13 minutes, 6 seconds. Active calories, 88 calories, and total calories 108, so less than on my regular bike, and average heart rate was 123 BPM. So there you have it. It detected I was on an e-bike, it awarded me fewer calories, and now I'm gonna go and have a lie down. The next one is auto pause and resume. So this will mean that if you're making a lot of stops along your journey, say at traffic lights, or you see someone along the route and you want to stop and have a chat with them, it won't eat into your overall workout time. The watch will know when you stop, and then it will know again when you resume, so it will start the recording again. This is not turned on by default. You'll need to turn it on by going into the settings menu, then workout, and then toggle on auto pause. And this feature is available on the Series 3 and later, as long as you have WatchOS 8. So this was my auto-detected ride that I have just stopped to film this on to show you the auto pause in action. And now let's start up again and see when it resumes. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna keep my eyes on the road and on my watch. Okay, and it started again. So maybe about a 3-second delay on the resume. Okay, this one's kind of fun, and it's new to the watch on OS 8. So it's going to give you voice feedback for your workouts. It works for runs, walks, and so on, but for outdoor cycling specifically, it is going to give you an alert audibly, either through your Bluetooth headphones or through the watch's speaker itself, that will tell you your speed, distance. Things specifically for cycling include when you hit your 5 km or 5 mile marker, when you're auto pausing and stopping, and of course when you close your activity rings. So let's hear what it sounds like.
10 kilometers. Average speed 16.4 kilometers per hour. Workout paused. Workout resumed.
If you've ever come off your bike, you'll know that it can happen in so many different ways. You can go over the handlebars, you can fall to the side, you can even just have trouble unclipping at the lights. Now available on the Apple Watch Series 7 and all of the other Apple Watches from the Series 4 onwards is fall detection, and it's available on all of the primary workout types, including outdoor cycling. And it's going to provide a call to emergency services and your contacts if it detects a fall and you don't respond to the alert. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you want to find out any more details on where you can find the gear that I use today, including latest prices on the Apple Watch, I put links in the description below. And there's also a link to our Apple Maps versus Google Maps video purely for cycling, so that's down there as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.